Next, type number 2 problems. Find the value of each of the following. Means first one is tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Now to find its value here, very easy. So tan inverse 1 keep as it is. So tan inverse 1 plus, so replace the value for cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Because of that reason here negative sign is there. We have to omit this negative sign. Means by using its property, cos inverse minus means cos inverse minus x is equal to what? Pi minus cos inverse x. So यहाँ पे जो नेगेटिव साइन है, ए नेगेटिव साइन को कैंसल आउट करना है. सो नेगेटिव साइन को कैंसल आउट करना बोले तो उसका प्रॉपर्टी यूज करना है यहाँ पे. सो cos इनवर्स माइनस एक्स का प्रॉपर्टी कितना है? पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स एक्स है. मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ cos इनवर्स माइनस 1 by 2 पुट इट्स वैल्यू दैट इज पाई माइनस cos inverse x. In place of x here 1 by 2 is there, means put 1 by 2. Again same case, replace its value, means here negative sign is there. We have to omit this negative sign, means sin inverse minus x. Sin inverse minus x is equal to what? Minus sin inverse x is there. Means minus plus into minus minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Now this is equal to, put the value of tan inverse 1. So tan inverse 1 value is, tan inverse 1 is equal to how much degree? 45 degree, means pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi keep as it is there only, and put the value of cos inverse 1 by 2. So cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to what? 60 degree, means pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 value is pi by 6. Pi by 6. Now its denominator nothing means 1 is take down LCM in these two terms. 4 divide and multiply. We get pi plus 4 pi minus, take down LCM here. 6 is our LCM. Now take negative sign outside, means 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, means 2 into pi 2 pi, minus into minus plus 6 is get cancelled, we get pi. Further simplify, 4 pi plus 1 pi we have to add, we get 5 pi by 4 minus 2 pi plus 1 pi 3 pi by 6. Now 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 5 pi by 4 minus pi by 2. Now again take down the LCM in the denominator. So 4 is our LCM. 4 get cancelled, we get 5 pi minus 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, means 2 into pi 2 pi. Now plus 5 pi minus 2 pi, subtract, we get 3 pi by 4. This is the required result or required value of given inverse trigonometric function. So next one is OR. So alternate method, or here we have to find out another by using property, that is tan inverse 1 keep as it is there only. Now here plus pi also keep as it is, negative sign is there, so minus take down outside. So what's remaining term written in the bracket? Cos inverse 1 by 2 minus into minus plus sin inverse 1 by 2. So tan inverse 1 value is pi by 4 plus pi keep as it is there only. So already we know sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2 we have derived in first video. So its value is pi by 2 is there, direct by using property pi by 2. Now its denominator nothing means 1 is there. So take down LCM in the denominator. 4, 1, 2 means its LCM is 4. 4 get cancelled, we get pi plus 4 pi minus 2 pi. Again simplify, pi plus 4 pi minus 2 pi, we get 2 pi upon 4. Now 2 pi plus 1 pi, 3 pi by 4. Same 3 pi by 4. By using property भी कर सकते और without using property. Okay. Next problem is tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Cot inverse minus root 3. Now to find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3 is there. Now this is equal to tan inverse root 3 keep as it is there only, and here we have to cancel out this negative sign. So cot inverse minus root 3 value is cot inverse minus x is equal to what? Pi minus cot inverse x is there. Means by using that property here, pi minus cot inverse root 3. Now this is equal to tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 value is what? Tan root 3 value is 60 degree, means pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus, in the bracket pi keep as it is there only, minus cot inverse root 3. So cot root 3 value is what? Pi by 6. Pi by 6. Now further simplify, pi by 3 minus its denominator nothing means 1 is there. Take down LCM. 6 ones are 6. 6 pi minus pi. And pi by 3 minus 6 pi minus 1 pi, we get 5 pi by 6. Now again take down LCM in the denominator. Sorry, 6 pi minus 1 pi, correct. 5 pi by 6. So its LCM is 6 is there. So divide and multiply each term with LCM 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, means 2 pi minus 6 get cancelled, we get 5 pi. In the numerator both are like terms is there and opposite sign is there. Plus 2 pi minus 5 pi. Subtract, we get minus 3 pi by 6. Now again 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, means negative, minus pi by 2 is the required result. Third one is tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. Sec inverse minus 2. Now simplify. So tan inverse root 3 value is tan root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 minus, replace the value for sec inverse minus 2. So sec inverse minus x is equal to what? Pi minus sec inverse x is there. Means pi minus sec inverse 2. Now again simplify, pi by 3 minus, or remove this bracket. So minus into plus, minus pi, minus into minus, plus sec inverse 2. Pi by 3 minus pi plus sec inverse 2. So sec 2 value is what? Pi by 3. Pi by 3. Now its denominator nothing means 1 is there. So take down LCM in the denominator. 3 is our LCM. So divide and multiply each term with LCM 3. So what will get? 3 get cancelled out. We get pi minus 3 pi plus 1 pi. Again simplify. Minus 3 pi plus 1 pi, both are like terms, subtract we get minus 2 pi plus pi upon 3. So finally minus 2 pi plus 1 pi we get minus pi by 3. This is the required result. Now fourth one is cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Now simplify. This is important. So many times asked in the annual examination for 2 marks as well as 1 marks also. So cos, here we have to replace its value. Already property is there. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Means its value is pi by 2 because sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. In the last classes we have discussed. So cos pi by 2 means cos 90 degrees. See here, this is trigonometric function is there. Remember students. So this is not inverse trigonometric function here. Cos pi by 2. See here, cos pi by 2. Last is there. Cos pi by 2 is equal to how much? Its value 0 is there. Means cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. This is the required value. This is not a trigonometric function. This is not an inverse trigonometric function. This is trigonometric function is there. Means cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. Next continue. Fifth one is cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Same case here also. Cot, keep as it is. Already we know tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2. So in place of x here, A is there. Means by using that property, means its value is pi by 2 because tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now cot pi by 2 means cot 90 degree. So cot 90 degree is equal to what? 0. Means its value is 0. Now sixth one is cos inverse 1 by 2. Cos inverse 1 by 2 plus 2 times of sin inverse 1 by 2. Now to find its value here. Now for the simplify, cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to inverse trigonometric function means cos inverse 1 by 2 is equal to how much degree? 60 degree. Means pi by 3 plus 2 keep as it is there only, and sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to 30 degree means pi by 6. Pi by 6. So 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. Now pi by 3 plus pi by 3. So add these two, we get 2 pi by 3. This is the required value of given inverse trigonometric function. Now let us continue the problem 7th. tan inverse of 2 cos of sin inverse 1 by 2, sin inverse 1 by 2. So first tan inverse keep as it is outside. 2 times cos also keep as it is. First we have to find out its value here. Bracket is there. Means sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to how much? Its degree. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. So its value is pi by 6. Now again tan inverse outside keep as it is into 2 times of cos. See here, cos pi by 6. This is a trigonometric function is there, remember. So cos pi by 6 is equal to cos pi by 6 means cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Its value is root 3 by 2. Again 2 get cancel out. So what's remain? Tan inverse of root 3. Now finally tan inverse means inverse trigonometric function is there. So tan inverse root 3 is equal to how much degree? 60 degree means its value is pi by 3. This is the required value. Now 8th one is tan inverse of 2 cos in its in bracket 2 times of sin inverse 1 by 2 is there. Now repeat same procedure. Tan inverse outside keep as it is and 2 times of cos x also keep as it is. Cos keep as it is. First to find the value of sin inverse 1 by 2 means in bracket 2 constant keep as it is. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to, so sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to how much degree? 30 degree means pi by 6. 2 ones are 2 3s are 6. Now this is equal to tan inverse 2 times of cos keep as it is there only and what's remain here? Pi by 3. So pi by 3. Now this is equal to tan inverse outside is there keep as it is. 2 constant is there, this also keep as it is. So cos pi by 3 means this is trigonometric function is there means cos pi by 3 is equal to what its value? Cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 is there means 1 by 2. 2 get cancel out. Again tan inverse 1 is there. So tan inverse 1 is equal to 45 degrees. See the trigonometric table. Its value is 45 degree means pi by 4. This is the required value of given function. Now last one is sin of in bracket pi by 3 minus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Sin inverse minus 1 by 2. Now to find its value, now this is equal to sin function keep as it is there only and pi by 3 constant is there, this also keep as it is minus here we have to omit this negative sign. So हमें a नेगेटिव साइन को कैंसल आउट करना है मीन्स बाय यूजिंग इट्स प्रॉपर्टी साइन इनवर्स माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स इज देयर मीन्स इन ब्रैकेट माइनस साइन इनवर्स 1 by 2. Further simplify sin of pi by 3 keep as it is there only minus remove this bracket minus into minus plus sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to sin inverse 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. pi by 6. Again simplify, sine function keep as it is. So take down LCM in the denominator. So its LCM is 6. Repeat same procedure. Divide and multiply each term with LCM 6. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 means 2 pi. Plus 6 get cancelled out, we get pi. Now further simplify, sine of 2 pi plus 1 pi, 3 pi by 6. Then 3 1s are 3 2s are 6 means sine of pi by 2 is there. See here, this is trigonometric function is there. So trigonometric function means degree is there, input value is degree is there, means sine pi by 2 is equal to what its value? Sine pi by 2 means sine 90 degree is equal to what? 1. So this is the required value of given trigonometric and inverse trigonometric function. Thank you.